Hi Spotlight, I'm back again with Come Down with Yemi, and today we are going to learn how to cook Cajun style pasta. I'm now going to show you the ingredients we're going to be using today. We're going to be using 1 yellow pepper, 1 green pepper, 1 red pepper, 1 onion, chicken seasoning, Cajun seasoning, cumin seasoning, garlic powder, this is chili powder, milk, cheese, pasta, and we have chicken fillets. So first thing we're going to do is wash the chicken. Like I said in my last video, I think it's really important to clean your chicken. So today I don't have lemons, I have vinegar. So I've put that in, and I'm just going to use my hands and really make sure that the chicken is soaking up that vinegar. Then I'm going to rinse it out and then cut the chicken into strips. So right now I only have 3 chicken fillets in there. If you want to follow me exactly how I'm doing it, it's only 3 chicken fillets. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to add the chicken to the pot. Okay, keep moving it around until like it becomes cooked. And in the meantime, still have your water boiling for the pasta. Now we're gonna add all the seasoning that I showed you before. So I'm gonna use 1 tablespoon of everything. So 1 tablespoon of Cajun seasoning, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin, this thing does not want to come out like these. This is why I don't like measuring. There you go. 1 spoon of chili powder. Now if you don't like chili, don't really put it in. Only put a little bit. But me, I like my chili boy, so. And then you just carry on mixing all the seasoning together with the veg. And then put it to a lower heat. So in here you should have your chicken, your veg, your seasoning in here, just mixing it up. So now we're gonna actually add milk. I've got like this size glass, so if people wanna like follow, I'll put like 3 glasses of this in. And I'm using semi-skimmed milk. So like also check on your pasta. My pasta is basically done. So now I'm just gonna go over and drain it. So I'm just draining my pasta now. Just making sure all that water is out. And then we're gonna put it straight into her. And then start mixing it out properly. So guys, once mixed, I'm just gonna grate the cheese, or you can grate it onto like a bowl or a plate first. I'm just gonna do it straight into the pasta. I'm gonna do probably like half of this cheese, just because I love cheese. But you don't have to put all the cheese, or it's really up to you how you want it. Alright everyone, so still mixing. I've just added a bit of curry powder as well, which I forgot to add at the start. Then just put it to a high heat and be mixing it, and it should look something like this. And here's your dish, guys, Cajun flavored pasta. Remember, you don't have to use chicken, you can use prawns, fish, veg, anything you like to make this dish. How it looks. I hope you enjoyed Come Dine with Yemi again, and I hope you join in next week as I cook another dish. Comment, like, talk to me, feedback, tell me about your cooking. I still want to hear about your cooking spotlight, and be inspired. Be inspired, get creative, and enjoy cooking. Hi Spotlight, hope you are enjoying Come Dine with Yemi. Now, my first video has caused a bit of a debate, and I want to know young people's opinions, okay? So I want you to like my video, but I also want you to comment on this question, okay? So my question to you young people is, do you wash your chicken, okay? I want to know, do you wash your chicken? Do you not wash your chicken? If you do wash your chicken, what do you wash it with, okay? I just want to know if people are washing their chicken or if I'm just crazy and got it from somewhere, okay? So comment, like, I want to know, do you wash your chicken?